How to create a new Kahoot quiz. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily create a new Kahoot quiz. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for kahoot.com and make sure that you're logged into the account so that you can create a new quiz. So once you are on the home page, on the top right, you will find the create button. So you can just tap on it. So you can create a new Kahoot quiz. Just tap on this and you'll be taken to another account. So you can create a blank canvas, or you can also see all of these pre-made templates that you can use from. I'm just going to show you guys how you can create it from scratch. So the first thing you need to do is select your background. So these are all of the free backgrounds that you can use. The ones that you see the star are the paid versions. So these are the certain subscription that you can use. It is included in Kahoot Silver and for K-12 teachers. So once you have done that, once you have selected the background, I'm just going to select the standard one. The first thing is to start typing your questions. So for example, I'm just going to add like, what number is this? And then simply add an image. So you can get an image here. So let's say if I just search for number 6, it should show me number 6 like this. Or if you don't find it, let me just search for 5. Now here is the number 5, so I'm just going to add this as an image. So here you can enter your options like 1, 2, let me just add another one. So I'm just going to add 7 here, and I'm going to add 5 on the third option. And you can choose your correct answer like this. And once you have done that, your first question is now created. And if you want to add more questions, you can just tap on add questions. So as you can see on the basic plan, you can just make a quiz and true or false. So the first one was quiz. So on the true or false, you can just start typing. So let's say, is this letter Z? So you can add an image right here. Then you can choose the answer true or false. Now once you have done that, you can just preview your quiz and then start playing it. So see how it looks. So for example, the answer was true. I'm just going to select true right here. And once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you easily create a Kahoot quiz. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.